Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a great one for you. I got a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. This is a 138 true super sport car, all numbers matching, 396, 360 horse. It's got the 4-speed transmission. It's Bolero red with black interior, absolutely gorgeous, brand new wheels and tires on this car. We're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Like I said, this car is finished in beautiful Bolero red. Paint and body work is 10 out of 10. It doesn't get much nicer than this car right here. Absolutely gorgeous. Fit and finish on the car is excellent. All the underneath, wait till you see the underneath. Stay tuned for that. Be at the end of the video, but you're going to want to see that. Absolutely immaculate underneath on this car. Really looks good. All the interior is beautiful. All the chrome looks great. Headliner in great shape. Back seat looks good. Seat looks great. Show you the doors here. All the doors are in great condition. Really looks good. So shut the door here. Door shut easy. Take a look at the trunk here. All inside the trunk's finished beautifully. Has a nice splatter paint to it. Really looks good. It's got the spare tire and the jack equipment. Really looks good. Sticker looks great on the trunk. Really looks good. The horn works. Shut the trunk lid here. We're going to start it up and see how it sounds. Well, all the chrome looks good on the car. Really nice and clean. Lights work. Really sounds good. Like I said, just absolutely gorgeous. All the interior is in excellent condition. Like I said, it does have the knee knocker tack on it. It does work. So, back seat all looks great. Also, I do have the Protecto plate that goes with the car as well. So that's pretty cool. Original warranty owner's Protecto plate. So I have pictures of it online if you'd like to see it. Or just message me. I'll be glad to get that for you. Like I said, the doors just shut easy. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, this is a numbers matching 396, 360 horse. And all numbers matching transmission as well. Absolutely gorgeous underneath the hood. Really looks good. But shut the hood here. We'll take one more quick look at the 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Numbers matching 396, 360 horse. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this Chevelle for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this Chevelle for a test drive and see how it does. Horn's working great. Show you the tack working. Well, we're going to take this car for a drive and see how it does. Got a little bit of traffic here and we'll be ready to go. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars. All right, here we go.
Beautiful concourse restoration.
Yeah, absolutely gorgeous frame off. Car does great, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running driving car.
All the tags, all the markings, everything on it are better than when it come out of the pack.
Yes, sir.
This 360 horse run too.
We're going to show you here in just a minute. Car runs and drives great. Like I said, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running driving car. But we're going to turn around and head back here. And like we do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this car is made of. Here we go. Car's got lots of power. Like I said, shifts through all the gears the right way. This car was made for one thing and one thing only, to go fast in one direction. So that's what they made this car for. We are almost back here. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to put this car up on the rack and show you what it looks like underneath. And this will conclude the test drive video. And here is the video of the underneath of this 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS.